Hey everyone, today we are doing a lookbook. So this has been a video that I have been wanting to do and I kept postponing it. So today we're finally going to go through my spring wardrobe and my favorite outfits that we can actually wear out during this whole quarantine type coronavirus situation that we have going on. That is still prominent in many areas. So depending on where you live, you might still have the face mask mandate. But if not, you can still work and integrate these outfits in your daily day. So check it out. I hope you like the outfits, and I am very transparent, so I'm going to share with you guys my weight, height, and some of the actual sizes and the places that I purchased the dress or outfit, so you can purchase it as well as you like, and you also get a sense of a fitting scale based on this video as well. So hope you enjoy it. That lipstick is gonna really bother me, but what can you do, girls? We always have that struggle. It's life. Stepping on the scale, I decided to use a cartoon filter just for the fun of it. But yes, I am 142, the most I've ever been in my life. And trust me, it has made me feel some type of way, but we are gonna do this video. I'm 5'5". My first outfit is probably one of my favorites just because it's so comfortable and it's a place that you would have never thought to shop for outfits. So the dress is from 5 and below, which means it was only $5 because you can only buy $5 max in that store. And so really, I encourage you all to shop there because a lot of my outfits are from there. So it just goes to show that you don't have to spend tons of money to get a great looking outfit. And you can pair it up with a cardigan. This particular cardigan I already had. I like the tan color. Oh my gosh, outfit number 2 I just adore so much. Like I just feel so fun, young, happy in this outfit. Paired it with the same shoes, but the color is just one of my favorite colors. I think it looks so nice and bright. It also goes well with my hair. I always love these pastel type colors, and it's so affordable. This is also from 5 and below, and because it's a skirt and top, it was $5 each, so a total of $10 for this outfit. How cool is that? You usually spend so much more money when you're shopping for outfits that you don't necessarily wear too often. I feel like once you get a picture, you don't want to wear it again for the next time around. Outfit number 3 is my least favorite outfit, so I had to pair it out with an accessory that I really love, which is my little Louie. How cute does he look? I love how his little outfit has like a little hoodie. Let me know and comment down below if you want a whole type of video with all the outfits that he has, because he has tons of outfits and I think they're even sometimes cuter than my outfits. So let me know if you want to see a video of that. I will be sure to share it, and make sure you are subscribed so you can know when I do, and hit the bell so you know when I do post a video. The reason why I show these shoes a lot and wear it with all the outfits is because they were only $6, and it's from a store called Gabe's. The top is purchased from there. However, the pants are purchased from 5 and below. So be sure to check that out. Our good friend Anne-Marie, if you're watching this, we love you, actually introduced us to the store Gabe's. So check it out for great bargain finds. I know they have a lot of cute outfits, and it's a hit or miss, but they really do have some cute clothings out there. For this particular outfit, I love how you can dress it down or dress it up, really depending on the style you're going for. And this is little Louie looking at mommy thinking, what is she doing? This next outfit comes with a matching mask. So you see the plaid pattern. This dress was also with that lovely mask, and I ended up changing the shoes for this one to my Christian Louboutins. But the dress, I love how the mask comes with it. It's from Forever 21, and I just paired up a blue cardigan with it. Anytime you pair up any sort of like cardigan, I feel like it really takes away, especially if you're very self-conscious about your arms, it definitely helps, you know, tuck in all the areas that you don't want. But the great thing is, if you do and you don't care, you can also dress it down and just wear this dress by itself. But then it goes from like an office look to a clubby look. I will tell you that, because it's very, you know, short but cute. Just, I probably would definitely wear a cardigan if I were wearing this to work or something like this, and not showing so much. But yeah, it's still a very cute outfit that you can wear with anything. And Louis, of course. Oh, I just love Louis. He's just so cute. How can I not? I'm sorry. How can you not get enough of him? Outfit number 4 is paired with a Kate Spade and Forever 21 shoes. This dress is also from Forever 21, and the best part about it is that it has its own mask. That's why I really love a lot of the Forever 21 outfits. Pretty much all of them that I purchased had some sort of face mask with it, matching face mask. So definitely check it out if that's something that you're interested in, because these dresses do have it, and very stylishly there. For example, this one, you won't even guess that a face mask is there until you wear it, and you never have to forget it or leave it at your house because it's literally attached to your dress. So it can't get any more convenient than that. We're coming down to our last few outfits. This is also from Five and Below, and this is just one of my favorites because you can literally just wear it to the gym when you're shopping for errands, and it made me feel just cute but also powerful, strong. Makes me want to get into workout mode. And yeah, Carol definitely needs to get going, because I have been slacking on working out, but you know what? This is going to change. We're going to change it. Last but not least, the outfit you saw me in, which is a Forever 21 outfit that came with a matching mask. And yes, that's why I love all my Forever 21 outfits, because nowadays you just have to go out and wear a mask because it's required by the stores. So I made sure to purchase all these items, and this color is also a wonderful color for spring, especially because spring, you're still in the transition month and it's still cold. So it works out well because of the color is also very much more bright, and you know, you can definitely tell this sweater is more springy than like if you wore it with like a black sweater type thing, because of the color itself. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and hope you have a wonderful, fabulous day. Goodbye, my friends, and don't forget to subscribe.